I'm Sally. Welcome again to Pandan Diary.
Hello everyone, this time I made this Christmas hot chocolate bomb. Will they explode? I've also attached a link in the descriptions for you so you can download these hot chocolate bombs Christmas cards which you can hang on the packaging. So let's begin. First, chop the chocolate and put them on the pan. Bring the water to a boil in the smaller saucepan, then place the pan of chocolate on it. Then stir it until some of the chocolate melts. Then remove from the pan and stir until all the chocolate is melted. Next, prepare a half bowl silicone mold. Then pour 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate and spread it into the mold. And repeat for the other chocolate colors. Then store in the freezer for 5 minutes. Then apply the chocolate again on the part that looks thin, especially the sides. Then store it back in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now I'll remove the chocolate from the mold. Then I crush some Oreos for the filling. Get a warm saucepan, then melt the edges of the chocolate. For the filling, I use cocoa powder or coffee mix, Oreos, and marshmallow. And keep it back in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Then place them in the cupcake papers. And it's time to decorate. And here it is, the Christmas hot chocolate bomb. Now it's time to test. Will it explode? Stir first and enjoy the hot chocolate. And now I'm going to make the hot chocolate bomb packaging. I used 2 packs, which are a clear food plastic and a cupcake box. Then I prepared the hot chocolate bomb Christmas card that said how to serve hot chocolate bombs. And I have put this image link in the description so you can download this card. Then make a hole in the corner of the card. Cut a 40 centimeters or 16-inch long ribbon. Insert the ribbon into the card hole and tie the ribbon beautifully. On the card, I also give space to write who gave this Christmas hot chocolate bomb. Here it is, Christmas hot chocolate bombs ready to be shared with your loved ones.
Thank you all for watching. If you have any question of this Christmas hot chocolate bombs, please write in the comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share to your friends.